How to create a budget that works for you. Are you tired of struggling to make your finances add up at the end of the month? Want to know the secret to creating a budget that actually works for you? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the art of budgeting and show you how to tailor a budget to your unique lifestyle and financial goals. So, are you ready to take control of your money? Let's get started. Set clear goals. The first and most crucial step in creating a budget is to set clear financial goals. Your goals will guide your budgeting decisions and help you stay motivated. Start by asking yourself what you want to achieve with your finances. Are you saving for a vacation, a new car, a home, or retirement? Do you want to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or increase your monthly savings? Defining your goals will provide you with a clear sense of purpose and direction. Calculate your income. To create an effective budget, you need to know how much money you have coming in. Calculate your monthly income, which may include your salary, rental income, freelance work, or any other sources of revenue. Be sure to use your net income, which is your earnings after taxes and deductions. Make sure to consider irregular sources of income like bonuses or side gigs and average them out over the year if they aren't consistent. List your expenses. Next, you'll need to identify and categorize your expenses. Start by breaking down your expenses into two main categories: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses, these are recurring costs that generally stay the same each month. Examples include rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, insurance premiums, and loan repayments. List all of your fixed expenses, as these are usually the easiest to predict. Variable expenses. Variable expenses can fluctuate from month to month. They include groceries, dining out, entertainment, transportation, and discretionary spending. To get an accurate picture of your variable expenses, review your bank and credit card statements from the past few months to track your spending. Categorize your expenses. After listing your expenses, categorize them into essential and non-essential expenses. Essential expenses are those you must pay to maintain your basic needs and lifestyle. Non-essential expenses are the things you could cut back on if necessary. Set spending limits. To ensure your budget works for you, it's important to set spending limits for each expense category. Start with your fixed expenses, which are generally less flexible. Ensure that your income comfortably covers these costs. If it doesn't, consider making adjustments, such as finding a more affordable housing option or refinancing loans to reduce payments. For variable expenses, analyze your past spending patterns and set realistic limits based on your financial goals. Consider reducing non-essential spending to allocate more funds to savings, debt repayment, or other financial objectives. Before moving next, I have a question for you. Have you ever struggled with sticking to a budget? If so, what were the biggest challenges you faced and how did you overcome them? Share your experiences in the comments below. Monitor and adjust. Once you've established your budget, the key to success is to consistently monitor your finances and make adjustments as needed. There are several methods to keep track of your spending. Manual tracking. Use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app to record your expenses daily or weekly. This approach provides a detailed view of your spending habits. Automated tracking. Many budgeting apps and software can link to your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically categorize and track your expenses. This can save time and provide real-time insights into your spending. Cash envelopes. Some people prefer the envelope system, where they allocate a specific amount of cash to each budget category. Once the cash is gone, they stop spending in that category for the month. Review your budget regularly, preferably at least once a month. Compare your actual spending to your budgeted amount and assess any discrepancies. If you consistently overspend in a particular category, consider adjusting your budget or finding ways to cut back in other areas. Build an emergency fund. It's important to include an emergency fund in your budget. An emergency fund is a savings account that covers unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund to provide financial security and peace of mind. Pay off debt. If you have outstanding debt, make a plan to pay it off. Allocate a portion of your budget to debt repayment and prioritize high-interest debts like credit cards. Reducing and eventually eliminating debt will free up more of your income for savings and investments. Save and invest. Savings should be a fundamental part of your budget. Your savings should align with your financial goals. Consider the following savings priorities. Retirement savings. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. Take advantage of employer match programs if available. Short-term goals. If you have short-term financial goals like a vacation or a down payment on a home, set up separate savings accounts for these specific purposes. Long-term goals. Invest in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to help your money grow over the long term. Consult with a financial advisor to create an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Plan for irregular expenses. In your budget, account for irregular expenses that don't occur monthly. These can include annual insurance premiums, holiday gifts, or vehicle maintenance. Set aside a portion of your income each month for these expenses so that you're prepared when they arise. Be flexible. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances can change. Be prepared to adjust your budget when necessary. If your income changes or you face unexpected expenses, update your budget to reflect your new financial reality. Flexibility is key to maintaining financial stability. Seek professional guidance. If you find budgeting particularly challenging or have complex financial situations, consider seeking the help of a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice, help you set financial goals, and create a plan tailored to your unique circumstances. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in managing your finances effectively. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.